In this question, you have to identify the blood cells whose reduction in number can cause clotting disorder, leading to excessive loss of blood from the body. Option A, neutrophils. It is incorrect because neutrophils are a type of white blood cell that functions mainly for the defense of our body. Option B, thrombocytes. Now, thrombocytes, that is the platelets, play a crucial role in the process of blood clotting. When blood vessels are injured, platelets aggregate at the site of the injury for a temporary plug, and they start releasing chemicals that help to activate the clotting cascade. And this results in the formation of stable clot that prevents further bleeding. And when there is reduction in platelet count, a condition called thrombocytopenia, that is the ability to form blood clots, is impaired, leading to excessive bleeding, even from minor injuries. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, erythrocytes. It is also incorrect because erythrocytes, or the red blood cells, are involved in oxygen transport and not clotting. A reduction in erythrocytes causes anemia, but not any clotting issues. Option D, leukocytes. It is also incorrect because leukocytes, that is the white blood cells, are part of the immune system and does not play a direct role in clotting.